Oh, good morning.
Where are the share transfer forms?
In here. I went into corporate affairs and had everything registered, and I lodged the actual shares with the solicitor. These are the photocopies.
Very efficient, aren't you? You'll be paid for what you've done, and then you can get out.
Oh.
You don't have a hold over Wayne anymore. I know it was he who made the trouble over the wedding. It doesn't make any difference. Pay her.
Right.
I'd wait until you've read those first.
These are made out in your name.
That's right. I bought them, not you. Oh, you can have your checks back. I used my own money. It's all quite legal.
Thought you were broke.
Oh, I had a little. And with my salary for helping you stage the ruckus at the wedding, I had just enough. So, now I own 2% of the company. Not much in itself, but it does represent the balance of power. So now I can vote either with you two or with the other directors. Makes my shares very important. I think it'd be worthwhile staying in my good books, don't you?
What love really meant. When it came from nowhere. When it came, it altered my life. Sons and daughters, love and laughter, tears and sadness.